In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the iPhone flashlight that is not working. So let's just dive straight into the video. So firstly, if you're trying to use your flashlight, maybe when you got home and it's dark and it's just not turning on whatsoever, whether you're trying to access that from the home page or the lock screen, if that's the issue that you're encountering, what I recommend you to do is force restart your iPhone device. So this is very easily done by quickly pressing on the volume up, down, and then pressing and holding onto the power button. So I'll just go and walk you through that now. So quickly press volume up, down, and then press and hold onto the power button. Now I'm going to keep pressing and holding this until the iPhone logo comes up. Initially the screen will go black, and then if I give it another 5 seconds or 10 seconds, I'll see an iPhone logo. So once I see that, I can let go of the power button. Now quickly, I'll just add, if you do follow this step, you will not lose any of your information. All your contacts, photos, and applications will be exactly as they are. So I'll just give this another 5 seconds for the iPhone to boot up. Now I do find this is a very successful fix, as in 99% of the cases, it might just be like a temporary glitch or issue that you may be encountering. Now, the next thing that I recommend you to try is to go to the control center on your iPhone. So you can find this by pulling down on the top right hand corner and going to the flashlight. So I'm actually going to go and turn this on. So if I go and press and hold on to that flashlight button, this actually gives me some additional controls. So by default, this is set to low. So if you do find that your iPhone flashlight is very dim, this is also maybe the reason why. So if you want to increase the brightness, all you have to do is just drag your finger up, and that will go and increase the brightness substantially on your iPhone device. So this next fix that I'm going to show you is specifically for those that are having the issues of the flashlight or flash not showing in the camera app on the iPhone. So to fix this, we can go to the camera app. Now on the top right hand corner, if you see this icon here, which is kind of like a lightning strike with a kind of cross over it, that means that the flashlight is disabled. So I can go and kind of tap on that, and that will disable that. Now, if the flashlight is still not working when you're taking kind of photos or videos, what you can actually do is just tap on this arrow icon here, and this will give us some additional features down the bottom of the screen. So right here, I can tap on this flash icon, and if this is set to off by default, that means the flash will not come on. And if you've also got it on auto, this will kind of only go off in particular lighting situations. However, if you want the flash to always go off, you can just toggle that on. Now, whenever you take a video or image, the flash will always go off no matter the lighting situation. Now, the last thing that I recommend you to try, now this one might sound a little bit strange, but this is actually to go and press and hold around the iPhone flashlight. Now, the main reason why we do this is that maybe you've dropped your iPhone, and this can actually disconnect the connectors to the flashlight from the battery on your iPhone device. So you just kind of want to firmly press and hold around the flashlight, and hopefully that will bring the flashlight back on for you. Now, if none of these things works for you whatsoever, then unfortunately it actually might be a hardware issue. So if that is the case, hopefully your iPhone is still within warranty, and Apple will replace the flashlight for you, or the iPhone altogether. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully one of those fixes resolved the issue of the flashlight not working. And these fixes will also apply to all iPhone models out there as well. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.